The Dimension LED Bluetooth speaker cabinet brings together all the very best bathroom technologies with the latest style features to enrich your bathroom experience. The touch sensor on the side of the cabinet activates Dimension's illuminated exterior, which can be appreciated from the front, the sides, and inside the mirrored doors, creating a practical but show-stopping centerpiece in any bathroom. This cabinet features a built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to connect your device so you can listen to music, podcasts, and audiobooks with ease. Charging devices isn't a problem thanks to 2 integrated USB ports and a 2-pin socket for charging toothbrushes and shavers. When using the cabinet after a shower or bath, the heated pad technology hidden beneath the surface of the mirrored doors helps to reduce condensation and maintain visibility. Plus, all your personal items can be conveniently stored using Dimension's adjustable shelving, maximising storage. Developed with product longevity and improved assembly features, Dimension is the perfect solution that will make all the difference to your bathroom.